So we got another good part here from Modern, obviously, as you can tell. We did open this up, just check it out to inspect it. But what this is this is the MPX big front mount intercooler, packed, shipped, sent to us from Modern. We're going to be installing it on the car here behind me. And let's just have a look at this thing. So like normal, Modern loves to use their staples, which is good. But this is what we got. Let's see how well packed this thing is. They stick this corrugated stuff in the top. You got some foam here on the sides. Lots of bubble bags. Look at that. Got some other stuff in here. Looks like we got some vibrant tea plants. Right there, anything else, and our receipt. Let's take a look at this. It has the straight opening here, the driver's side, and it has the oval shaped. Some of them will come with a round end, and they're actually pretty hard to get on. Some of these will have the cast. Aftermarket ones will have this cast. A lot of them have just a thin metal. But we're going to get this thing installed on this 05 right here behind me. And it's pretty heavy. Alright, so I'm going to grab a stock one and then we can set it next to this. And I also have another one here that I want to sit it next to and do a side-by-side comparison just to give you guys a little bit more a look at intercoolers because I have it right now at my disposal. But I'll be right back. So here is the MPX big front mount sitting next to a stock intercooler. Get you close up front. That sun's kind of bad, but there you go. It gives you an idea. Set this thing. You can see it's almost twice as tall. It's not much thicker. All right, and I also have one of these here available at the moment. This is the AGP Direct Fit. So let's get these sitting here so you guys can take a look at these. These things are heavy. Not exactly easy to pick up. So there you go. Just kind of trying to show like a comparison. What the stock one looks like. Very thin cast in tanks. The AGP has cast tanks. Very thick center. It's actually thicker than this one. The MPX looks like it's fabricated end tanks, not cast, with everything welded together. This looks pretty large here, but these fins are a lot closer. I don't know, kind of the same. Nope, there's actually, these are wider. There's more distance in between them. Kind of like the stock one here. I don't know if that's something that they do just because it's the direct fit or not. But anyway, that just kind of closes up that little video. That's what the MPX intercooler looks like that Modern offers. I'll put the link in the description. If you see something you like, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're looking for any other parts. I do have a lot of other videos up. Please check them out. See ya.